Jesus, how do you put the camera on? Oh, there we go. Just for inspection, guys.
Yeah, Corey, come around this way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go that way.
I got top.
Old mate Caleb is riding this scooter here. Say hello to YouTube. Are you recording?
Yeah, I am. Who's doing two? You're on it.
Jack's doing two.
Jack, you're doing that and that.
That's priority.
Do that one first.
Just light them all.
Everyone wants to light them. Nobody wants to ride it.
You're riding it.
Caleb.
You totally have to jump
Getting.
off when it blows up.
Wait for everyone to have a fight.
power ready. Ready?
Jesus. Help. Holy fuck. Fuck. I gotta run with it. Oh, fuck.
Wow, that was so awesome. Holy fucking shit.
Oh, Yoshi, is it your turn now or what?
Do we have any more?